Hey, hi everyone. So welcome to our channel. So in this video we can see what are the top 3 use cases of a Chatsonic. So let's get started. First of all, we can visit a website of Chatsonic. So we can type Chatsonic on browser. Okay. Yeah. So this is the link. So you can click on this and click on this and try Chatsonic. It's free. Okay. So it is for free. So it is not paid version. So it also has some paid versions also. Okay. It taking some time. Yeah. So number one use case, it is an we can get a video scripts for YouTube channels. So we can give a prompt like give me video script on artificial intelligence benefits for YouTube channel. Okay. So it take much more time as compared to ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Okay. So yeah, but it give you the SEO based content and SEO based script. Okay, so it will rank on YouTube and Google and SEO platform. Okay, so that is the plus point to use and Chatsonic as compared to the ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Okay, so SEO is basically like search engine optimization. So it is actually if you use SEO based content and video scripts in your video and articles, so you will rank and your article will be rank on Google and YouTube. Okay, so that's the plus point to use and Chatsonic as compared to the ChatGPT. Okay, so that's very unique and it is very interesting. It is the best tool to use for an creators on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Okay, so that's very unique. So we can wait for this. It take much more time. It take 2 or 3 minutes more. Okay, but it will give you the on to point video scripts and SEO based video scripts. Okay, so if you don't know the SEO, so you can type on Google and you can get information easily from Google. Okay, so that's the important thing. Yeah. Yeah, so it will show you. Okay, so it will show you the content. Okay, like this. Did you know this? Okay, so it's like this. Final output version 1. Okay, so that's the benefit of an using chats on you. Okay, number two use case, you can get a SEO optimized content and articles. Okay, so you can give a prompt like write an article on AI benefits in 200 words. Okay, so it can give you SEO optimized content. Okay, that's very interesting. It is very much good option to use. Okay, yeah, so you can see this. Okay, see it actually given this. Let me break it down what you are looking for. Okay, so it actually explain you uh, what kind of a scenario you are in and what actually content you want. Okay, so it actually explain that. Yeah, so it will take some time, but the worth it as compared to chat gpt. It actually research on that content and create a SEO optimized articles. And for the articles on Google, it is very important to create a SEO optimized content and articles to rank. Okay, that's very unique. So it takes some time. So it's actually researching relevant information. So it also give you the information like search volumes, difficulty, cost per click. That's very unique. That's very awesome. You also get insight on ads. Okay, it takes some time, but it will give you on slideshow. Okay, so you can get this 2 minutes, or we can wait for this. Okay, yeah. So it give you this kind of a article. Okay, it actually also give the statistic. Yeah, so that's awesome. That's very awesome. Okay, it actually given you in-depth information on that. That's awesome. Yeah, so it is very much important to use and Chatsonic for creators. Okay, bloggers also. Yeah. So number three use case, you can get a business strategies and business ideas. Okay, so we can give a prompt like, give me five business strategies for my AI agency. Yeah, so it will give you. Yeah, so will give you. Okay, it it takes some time, much more time as compared to ChatGPT, but it will give you specific information. It is the best tool to use for an content creators, bloggers, and the people who want to write articles and content ideas. Okay, so this is best for them. It will take some time. So you can also give specific information. I want to increase my revenue. Okay, so it will give you the specific information. Okay, firstly he understand the questions and will it actually give the information. Yeah, so it is best tool, so you can give a specific information. Okay, so it actually asking me some specific questions, so you can give this and it actually create a plan and strategies for your business. Personalized, it is like a personalized strategies for your business. So that's all. So these are the top three use case of a chat sonic tool. So if you like this video, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.